Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's video is about another one of the tomatoes we grew for the first time this year called Apricot Zebra. So here it is in a lineup next to a Sun Gold on the left, a Rapunzel in the middle, and then the Apricot Zebra on the right. These are a cool tomato. They get their name because the texture is quite reminiscent of an apricot, as you'll see in a second when I slice them here. When you slice them open, they have a firmness to them which is different from a lot of tomatoes, even when they're really ripe. Like this one's really nice and ripe. The flavor is sweet and rich, not very acidic. But when you bite into them, they really do have, if you just sort of eat it, without slicing it, has a texture that's reminiscent of an apricot. It's kind of uncanny, actually. And the orange color and the size, you can kind of see where they get their name. We didn't get the zebra stripe look on them as much, though. Like ours don't have stripes as much as some of the ones you see in the pictures on Baker Creek, but what a fantastic tomato. These are amazing in like a pico de gallo, a salsa, just to put them on a pizza, eat them in salads. The flavor, as I mentioned, I think is very sweet and rich, not very acidic. So they have like a kind of a pulpy texture to them, but firm though. So that's what makes them really interesting, is they're a chewy tomato in a way. Not in an unpleasant way, but they're much firmer than a lot of like Roma tomatoes might be. So I'm sure they would make a fantastic sauce tomato as well, because they don't have a lot of juice. But yeah, the Apricot Zebra is definitely one we're going to grow, and I think if you're looking for an orange tomato, this would be one to think about. It's productive, it's tasty, it's unusual, and I doubt you'll regret growing it. It was definitely going to have a place in our garden in the future.